There's a package for you.
Oh. Wow, who's it from? LASFIT for better vehicle life. I wonder who this is. Oh wait, it's one of our sponsors. Thank you again to LASFIT for keeping the boys safe at night on the road. We're gonna go and rip open this package, and man, I am ready for these lights.
I don't get paid enough for this!
It's a box! It's another box!
A little box within a box.
So guys, LASFIT's H7s. These are 40 watts, 20 watts a bulb. And these are specifically for the E90. I'm really excited to open these up and see what they're like. So the thing I love about LASFIT is it comes with a set of gloves. And right underneath them, a product manual. And then underneath that, the beautiful LED bulbs. So these are white gloves. My hands are very dirty.
Why are you touching them then?
Well, you know what? That's a good question.
Put them down.
I'm going to show you all what they look like before and after. So I'm going to go ahead and play the before. And then we're going to go ahead and install these. James is here with me actually as well. He's going to be helping out today because it is midnight.
Because I'm bored.
Guys, it's midnight and we're working on the E90 for you. This would not be possible without LASFIT's help. So big shout out to you all. And, well, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here's the before. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell. But
You'll see the difference.
look, so these lights are yellow right now. It's kind of hard to tell in here, but they are yellow. They're your standard halogens, and we're going to go ahead and replace them with these LASFIT LEDs. So these are their L1 Plus H7s. So guys, these only work for halogen bulbs and halogen bulb conversion. If you all have a HID headlight, these will not work for it. LASFIT has options for all different types of headlights. Just go to lasfit.com and put in your car year, make, and model, and they will have the right solution for you to keep you all safe on the road, just like me.
So these new lights we just put in, installed, have very easy access. There's a little cap. You just gotta twist. It comes right off. I think.
Yeah, there she is. Okay, now how are they?
I don't know if the wire goes through it though. Yeah, there it goes.
Did you get it?
For the most part.
Okay, yeah, I see how it goes.
That's hot.
Yeah, we might need to let it cool off for a sec. Okay, so what you're gonna do with this is that black part's gonna pull straight out.
Straight out, no turn,
Yeah,
no nothing.
pull it straight out. And then this little metal clip is gonna pop off, and then the light's gonna come out.
I'm pulling. Oh God.
There you go. There you go. Yep. Perfect.
We're gonna shoot that over here.
And then that metal clip comes, push the bottom, up, I think, or down, or somehow. Wait, not too hard, not too hard.
It does go down.
Or pull, pinch it. Pinch it.
Like
Did
that.
you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. And then pull that halogen bulb out. Bingo, just like that.
That was easy. That was so easy.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I've never changed a light bulb so easy in my life. What?
Yeah, it's real simple.
All right. Where's my sponsor bulb? Did it go in like this?
So,
Or did it go in like this?
here, you want a glove for it? Which hand?
Give me this hand.
I don't know if that's the right
That's
hand.
the other one.
Is that the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it anyways.
Okay.
Take it anyways. Take it anyways.
These are for like.
They stretch out. They stretch out. This is his first time putting some gloves on. See? They're pretty cool, actually. They feel really good, too.
I kind of got it dirty.
Oh, well. All right, let's get these bulbs over here.
All right, bring me the box.
All right, there's the box right there for you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now these.
The doctor's in session.
It's one of those doctors. Does it matter which bulb goes in which one?
I don't believe so, no. Yeah, so you can, with those gloves, you're good to touch the bulb.
Now, is there a
Okay,
certain way
so-
this goes in, sir?
You'll feel it kind of just like place in.
You need to calm down, mister.
Oh yeah, that thing needs to be brought back up.
I know. I am inserting bulb. Bulb has been inserted.
Okay. And then it should feel like it just sits right in there. So we finally got the first light in.
Maybe.
Maybe. I won't speak too soon. Is it one to go in?
No, it's these wires.
You need to pull them back, I guess, a little bit while you push that in. Ha ha! The sound of the ooh. What was that?
That was my shoe. That was my shoe. I have had no milkshakes.
Oh my god.
You're going to have to turn the wheel the other way.
Well,
I should be able to get to
I don't
it.
know. Alright, well, let's see. Yeah. Because I gotta put this other thing back in. I gotta put the. Where's the
The what?
the little cover for it?
What cover?
The cover like that one. The plastic.
Oh, it should be on the floor somewhere over there. It should have been by the car. Unless you ran it over.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we could have run it over.
Because last time I saw it, I was like right over here.
Oh, there it is. Right
Oh, yeah, it blended in with the garbage. Ah, that little scoundrel.
Yeah, he's always done, guys. He's always like, I'm
I
done.
thought I was the word when you just meowed.
I'm done. Anyways, I'm gonna go and put this cover on. We're gonna get to the other side and test these lights out. And guys, I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go home and get some sleep. Eat some popcorn.
Let's sleep. We still got a lot of work to do.
Oh yeah, we got a party.
Yeah, we got a party, all right.
All right, so the new headlight bulbs are installed. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car. We're gonna see how the difference looks. I'm really excited. James, should we go ahead and turn off the upper lights?
Oh my God.
That
is so clean.
dude. Oh,
It is so bright in here now.
that is so bright. I don't even know if the camera does justice.
No, it does not. Let me just say this right now.
It just doesn't. Like, it's white now. Like, it is bright as ever.
I'm in love.
I am too.
I think I'm just gonna sleep here with the car.
I know, right? Dude, now I want to take it out.
Right?
Oh. Well, womp womp. We're going to go ahead and take this thing out for a test ride tomorrow because it is midnight and I'm tired and James is tired and we're ready to get to bed. We had a long day today and we got a long day tomorrow. So,
And just think, it's only gonna get worse from here.
but that was a very successful night. We got the LED headlights put in, we got the headlight bulbs put in, and this video would not be happening without LASFIT. So guys, if you, again, have not checked them out and are trying to see better at night in your car or have a cleaner headlight look, go check out LASFIT at lasfit.com. I will link them down below. And again, as I say always to LASFIT, thank you for keeping the boys safe on the road, and good night.